All right, the good dogs are sitting with their mom right now. Again, today is a hectic day. We're trying to do 3 videos in one day. If you've been watching them on Snapchat, we got the chia seed breakfast yogurt that we're making. We also got the Sandhill Crane that we're smoking. And now we got this, which is Lactation cookies. Now, this is from a recipe. Baking is very hard. It goes down to the chemicals. So I like to try and follow recipes when possible. I am developing my own cookie recipe on a separate video that I'm working on. But we're going to stick to the ingredients for these lactation cookies. These are safe for males to eat. So don't worry about any side effects. I'll be eating one. See how it is. First thing we're going to show you is all the dry constituents for this recipe. We'll get through that, and then I'll show you the liquid ones. But yeah, grilling with the good dogs. Let's get into it. So, lactation cookies. Here we got everything. First up, old-fashioned rolled oats. 3 cups of that. Flour, 1.5 cups. Brewer's yeast. This is the most important thing, and I've looked it up. You don't want to substitute it. This is what you need for these lactation cookies. This is actually reduced for bitterness, and I found this at GNC. I could not find it in a grocery store, but GNC had this, so go look for it. It is in powder form. That's what you need. You need 1 tablespoon. No, I'm sorry. You need 5 tablespoons of that brewer's yeast, 3 tablespoons of the ground flaxseed. You need half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Sorry, switch those. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. Next, we're doing the liquid constituents. Back to the cookies. Let's get all this stuff in the mixer. This is all the dry stuff. This is 1 of the rolled oats, 3 cups. Here's the flour, 1.5 cups. Here's that brewer's yeast, 5 tablespoons of it. Very fine powder. There's that flaxseed, ground flaxseed. It's 3 tablespoons of that. 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. Half of the baking powder. Half of the baking soda. Half a cinnamon. Last but not least, the salt. I'm going to need both hands for that. So I will. All right, quick correction. I misread this. I thought it was cane syrup because I like cane syrup on my pancakes, and I thought that's what it was. It's cane sugar. So 1.5 cups of that. That's still part of the dry stuff. Putting that in there. Going to let it mix back up. Getting all the wet stuff ready. So just wanted to make sure everyone knew that I was wrong. It's cane sugar. So white sugar, I think anything will work. Putting it in there should be good. Grilling with the good dogs. Okay, in an effort to follow the recipe, which the dragon has informed me I may have been straying from a little bit, I'm going to take the unsalted butter, 12 teaspoons, and the virgin coconut oil, 4 tablespoons. Tablespoons of both of those. Here's the virgin coconut oil. I'm going to mix them in a bowl until they're creamy. And then I'll start adding in some of the other wet stuff. And I'm told I should have added the sugar to that later on. I don't think it's going to hurt anything, but let's see. So first up, 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of the vegetable oil and 12 tablespoons of the butter. I'll mix in there and mix it up a little bit. See what happens. Should be fine. And you also need, the best vanilla in the world, Ronald Reginald's. 1 egg and then an egg yolk, and you have to do the yolk thing to get just the yolk. Grilling with the good. All right, so I beat it until it was somewhat creamy. Now I added a little bit of sugar. It needs to get beat until it's fluffy, so we'll work on that. Once it's considered fluffy, we'll add in the eggs and the vanilla. Again, I've deviated from the recipe. All of the sugar should have gone in here. I didn't do that, but I think it'll be okay. Still, I did add a little bit, maybe like 1/8 cup of sugar just now, just so it can start getting some of that fluffiness. So yeah, once I'm happy that this is, quote, fluffy, Then add egg and vanilla. Grill them with the good dogs. Doing the best we can. All right, this got the seal of approval for fluffiness from the Red Dragon. She's done much more baking than I have, so I'll take her for it. So the egg and the egg yolk. Pour that in there. Again, Ronald Reginald's Mexican vanilla, made in New Orleans. New Orleans. That's the best stuff you can get. Best stuff. So, no matter what happens, cookies are going to be delicious because of that. So, 2 tablespoons or 1/8 of a cup of that goes in there. Mix that up a little bit. Let's get that under some mixing. I'll show you what that looks like. Grilling with the good dogs. All right, that's everything mixed together. Now, in the instructions, it says to start putting the dry stuff into here. I'm just going to put this into here. I think it'll work just fine. I've never had that be an issue in any other baking things I've done. So we're going to do that. If it messes up, I'll fall on the sword. It'll be my fault. So let's see how that works out. I'll dump it in there. Start mixing it up so that you'll see what it looks like. Grilling with... All right. Here we go. Cookie's looking good. Getting in. Setting that timer. 12 minutes. Let's get it done. Awesome. Where's the logo? Boom! So proud of that thing. Hosted by me, the Fat Dad. All right, grilling with the good dogs. Let's check out these Lactation cookies, see how they came out. They look like cookies. They look pretty good. So we'll give them a little while to cool and we'll try them out. See what everybody likes them. Grilling with the good dogs. Again, these are safe for guys to eat, but it's supposed to help lactation and breastfeeding women. So hopefully this will help out the Red Dragon. Should be fun. Grilling with the good dogs. Oh, that label's coming off. Grilling with the good dogs. All right, grilling with the good dogs. We just got the seal of approval from, I mentioned her in one of the earlier videos, the Iceman, the mongoose in the eye of the tiger, my sister. So let me try one of these. That is really good, actually. Lactation cookies, all geared up for the Red Dragon. So good. Give them a try. Ladies, if y'all are breastfeeding, I have nothing but respect for y'all. That is a tough job. And the Red Dragon, she just puts the whole team on her back. Y'all are incredible. These are incredible cookies. Y'all deserve them. Give them a try. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more grilling with the good dogs. Hey guys, it's me, the Fat Dad. Just want to let y'all know, I hope y'all are enjoying the videos here on YouTube. But if you want to see more, we actually have a Snapchat where you'll see a lot more of the uncut stuff. The final product is what ended up on YouTube, but a lot of bloopers, mistakes, and experiments happen on Snapchat, so check us out there. You can find that on our Instagram page, where if you follow our Instagram, you'll see candid pictures of the dogs, throwback pictures, and a little bit about each one of the recipes that we put up here on YouTube. So give that a try. That's Grilling with the Good Dogs on Instagram. Hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching the videos.